Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to use the sleep tracker of your Fitbit app. Tracking your sleep with your Fitbit device and the accompanying app can provide valuable insight into your sleep patterns and help you make informed decisions about your habits for better rest. The first thing you need to do is wear your Fitbit device to bed. The most crucial step is to wear your compatible Fitbit tracker or smartwatch while you sleep. Ensure the device is snug but comfortable on your wrist, typically 2 to 3 finger widths above your wrist bone, to allow the heart rate sensor to work effectively. Make sure your device has sufficient battery life to last through the night. Then, there's automatic sleep tracking, because the Fitbit devices are designed to automatically detect when you fall asleep based on your movement and heart rate pattern. You generally do not need to manually start a sleep tracking section. When your device detects that you haven't moved for about an hour and your heart rate indicates sleep, it will begin recording your sleep section. So the next thing upon waking up is to open your Fitbit app or your paired smartphone or tablet. Next thing, ensure that your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and your device is nearby. The app should automatically sync with your Fitbit device. If it doesn't, you can usually force a sync by pulling down on this today. You can see syncing your data. So once you pull down, it will sync. Now, once it has sunk, next thing you're going to do is, once synced, navigate to the Today tab in the Fitbit app. Look for the sleep tile. Let me show you the sleep tile. This is the sleep duration. Tap on it. So once you've seen the sleep tile, you tap on the tile to access your detailed sleep information. So the sleep tile will typically show you the sleep duration. You can see there's no data for me because I didn't actually use it. But if we did, you see the total time you were asleep. You see a personalized score out of 100 that summarizes your sleep quality based on factors like time asleep, sleep stages, and restoration. That is, heart rate and restlessness. The higher score indicates better sleep. The score ranges are generally excellent, that is for 90 to 100, good 80 to 89, fair 60 to 79, and poor for below 60. For compatible devices that track heart rate, the Fitbit app provides a breakdown of your sleep stages throughout the night. They show you awake, REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep stages. You can often tap on the sleep stages graph to see the duration and time you spent in each stage. Then the next thing, you can analyze sleep trend. The Fitbit app allows you to view your sleep data over time. Look for options to view your sleep pattern by day, by week, by month, or by year. This helps you identify trends in your sleep habits. Now, the restoration aspect of your sleep score is often detailed within the sleep data. This is typically based on your sleeping heart rate and how restless you were during the night. A lower sleeping heart rate compared to your resting heart rate and less restlessness contributes to a higher restoration score. Now, if you need more detailed restoration insights, it will require you having a Fitbit premium account. Now, you can also set sleep goals and schedule. This is actually optional if you like. You can manually log or edit sleep if needed. So by regularly wearing your Fitbit device to bed and checking the Fitbit app in the morning, you can gain valuable insight into your sleep patterns and work towards improving your sleep quality. This is how you manually log your sleep. The start, the time, the wake up, everything. You log it and once you're through, tap on save. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.